my name is Marcia Cripps. I'm the soil consultant here with Holloway Agriculture, and today I'm going to show you how to take a soil sample properly. Right now it's the beginning of August, so that means almond harvest has begun here in the Central Valley. Yes, you can take a soil sample any time out of the year, but now is the best time to do so because fall is coming up, and that means it's time to start thinking about fall soil amendments. You're going to need 2 buckets, a Sharpie, paper bags, a sharp pointed object which is optional, and an auger. Start by clearly labeling your 2 buckets with the depth. We will be going 0 to 20 and 20 to 40 inches in this orchard. Have the Sharpie and paper bags ready when you're done filling the buckets. I use a knife or screwdriver when the soil gets clogged at the end of the auger sometimes, but you don't have to have this. Lastly, you'll need an auger marked at 20 inches and 40 inches with a Sharpie. Having access to aerial imagery helps make soil sampling more intentional and gives our team a clear picture of a field. Begin with your 2 buckets nearby and come off the berm and clear the top of the ground with your boot where you want to take the sample. Press down on the auger using your upper body strength. Next, turn the auger anywhere from 3 to 4 turns depending on the soil type and pull up on the auger. Then, dump the soil into the correctly marked bucket. Repeat the last couple of steps until you get to the 20-inch mark labeled on your auger. Now it's time to switch to the 20 to 40-inch bucket and repeat. Finally, once you're finished taking the soil samples in the field, label your paper bag with a ranch name, depth, and date, and any other information your lab requires. Now you're ready to start filling your bags. So once you have the ranch name, the depth, and the date written down with a Sharpie for your paper bag, grab another paper bag so that way you can ensure that your soil sample doesn't fall apart and break. I do this because I learned the hard way a couple of times, and now you should be ready to start filling your bag with your soil sample. So this one says 0 to 20 inches. So we're going to check. This is the 0 to 20 box. Take it. You're going to want to mix the soil sample around. I like to go in with my hand, mix it around a little bit, grab my bag, put it on the end, start filling it. Hold it at the bottom, in case. Take it a little bit. I like to fill it when it's about 3/4 of the way. Right about there. Hold it down. And we're all set. Dump out any of the excess. And move on to the next one. I'm going to repeat and do the same exact thing again, just for the 20 to 40 inches. When you've filled your sample bags, keep them cool until you get to the lab. If you don't want to take the sample yourself, the Holloway team can take a precise sample for you using GPS technology and aerial imagery. Our agronomy team will use the data to write a detailed recommendation, and your Holloway representative will work with you to get you your materials. Thank you so much for watching. What do you have to